Welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can set or choose the AI add-ons consumption model. Like how you can set a priority, which model should be used first and which model should be used second. So let's get started. Please log in onto your BotPenguin account. Once you are logged in, please choose the bot and go to the AI settings. Please click on basic configuration. If this customer have got a multiple add-ons, so you will see this option of change order consumption for add-ons. Click on this option and from here you can set the priority. Like if I want to use this add-on first and then this, you can drag and drop accordingly and just click on update priority. So based upon this, the priority will be updated and the AI will start using that particular add-on. That's all about this video. In case if you have any questions regarding the same, please do let us know. You can reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin.